Welcome to episode 12. I got some neat upgrades, including a minefield, which I've never used. So, let's see what it does. Preferably after some enemies have spawned. Oh, I'm above water. Okay, that's... Oh, wait. I think I've used this before. Never mind then. Rockets. I want them myself. I don't want others using them. Yeah. That level up just does nothing for me there. Well, quick teleporter. Do I want to grind a bit because there's some somewhat more. Well, okay. Wanted to dodge in there? Good. No. No, what are you doing? What am I doing? Yeah, jumping over people is pretty nice. Why do you have to roll off a ledge? Why? What's the purpose? If they can get to the very edge of this, can they actually get behind me? No, no. Perfectly defensible position. I should stick to more situations like this. Okay, that's 2 chests I can get right there. 1 and 2. Even faster speed. Hey, this is pretty damn mobile for an enforcer. Okay, let's stay alive. What's it gonna be? The vagrant here. I am not amused, not at all. Okay, right, how about you come over here and fight me? Yeah, here I am. Take me. Ah, no, that's the wrong direction. That's totally the wrong direction. Okay, I can still block some of this. Okay, not as intended. I guess it works good enough. I mean, I'm not dead yet. And I am... Nope, I gotta go. Oh yeah, there's another easily defensible stretch of land that I can use. Good. Yeah, I block all of his attacks, and contact doesn't hurt me, so... Enforcer is surprisingly good against the vagrant, even though I still hate it. Okay, and dead. And that's the regeneration thingy, I think. Dealing damage heals you, yes. And retaliate on taking heavy damage. Well, I do not intend... I do not plan on taking heavy damage, but I guess it's nice to have. Oh, okay, and I level up. That's, unfortunately in a place where okay, I can push all of you down there. Except for you. Wanna come along quietly? Roll. Good. Good boy. And hunker down and just blast into bits. Good. Now, is there another secret passage type thingy down here? No. Well, then I have no idea how to get to this. Teleporting rolly guys. And rockets on top. Not funny. So what do we have here? How did they spawn all the way over there? I mean, I never got anywhere near there. Oh well. You stay where I can block you. Good. What else do we have here? I see an artifact. How No, that's just... I guess we could still try? No? Oh! Okay! I got up there somehow, and... Artifact of Enigma. Okay, and that resets me to the start of the stage. Which is fine. Still drop down there and collect the rest of my stuff. Okay, I can grab those up there. Hey, they're coming for me. That's good. Unless they roll off that damn ledge. Oh, and I don't have enough money anymore. That is annoying. Never mind. I'll just kill you for some money. See? Easy as pie. Did I see... Okay, a teddy bear is good, I guess. Okay, so no looking for stuff. I don't have any money anyway. So, you just die a quick death. Not quite as quick because you have too many HP. I don't do enough damage. You just go down there. Ah, okay, whatever. Thanks for joining us. Good. No, I'm happy with my minefield. Okay, here we go. And where are the 7 enemies down there? Oh yeah, I did beat a hasty retreat. So that's probably why they're left down there. Another war banner, okay. Ah, yeah. Facing the wrong direction, but I can still retreat properly. And that's it. Okay. I'm doing pretty well, if I may say so myself. And I'll see you next episode.